Oggi inizia un nuovo capitolo della nostra storia, iniziata 11 anni fa. Da una festa siamo arrivati a questo momento.
Love of mine, be patient with me. I swear to God I never won't leave. Oh, love of mine, you know you're not alone. Oh, and I hear you calling me home, and I feel you pulling me close, and I need you to be patient with me now, coming home. These faults, they are my own. I never meant to let you go, even when it's far too dark to see. And